When visiting family in India, Nikita Chatterjee learned that while improvements continue to be made to the country's water system, large segments of the population still do not have access to safe drinking water.
It's an issue that's prevalent literally anywhere you go.
Chatterjee and her roommate, Brianna Howard, had an idea they believed could help. Many families in India use a traditional sari cloth to filter water. Lab tests have shown 4 layers of cloth can help filter cholera bacteria, but still leave many contaminants behind. Water.org estimates that 21% of communicable diseases in India are linked to unsafe water sources.
We both care about healthcare a lot, so we thought, why don't we make this something that in some way or another impacts health?
During the 6-week Invented SU program, the two designed and built a prototype for an invention, combining a traditional sari with advanced water filters built in. Recognizing that first world solutions do not always work for developing countries, their Pani device is simple, familiar, and practical for families who already use sari cloth for filtering.
So they had this intuitive method that did work for them, just not as efficiently as it should. And I think we wanted to enhance that, but still keep that familiarity for them.
When the filters in the Pani device are used up, henna dye produces an X symbol on the cloth.
And the X we chose because everyone knows that an X means stop. There doesn't have to be a language barrier.
All Syracuse undergraduates can apply to Invented SU. Howard, a public health major, and Chatterjee, an economics major, were one of 10 teams to participate in the Invention Accelerator during the Syracuse University campus session this summer. Each week, the teams presented their work to guest evaluators during 7-minute presentations, and at the end of the program, a panel of judges voted on the top inventions. Pani took first place and a $5,000 prize.
So just to know that these powerful people believe in the idea just felt so great.
This is something that's not only that we're doing right now, but it's also bigger than us, you know?
Industrial and interaction design majors Hannah Erickson and James Ruhlman took second place with Mystic Marker, a unique drawing tool that allows the user to make music and art at the same time.
So as you press down on the marker tip, it's spring-loaded, so that interacts with the pressure sensor inside. And so the harder you press, the higher pitch the notes get. And then when you squeeze on the grip, the notes slow down. And if you're not squeezing at all, then they're really, really fast.
Erickson and Ruhlman said special education teachers were interested in the marker's potential as a creative tool for children with autism.
Every time we would bring up the idea to someone, their face would light up.
During Invented SU, students receive assistance from faculty with the College of Engineering and Computer Science and the School of Design. Several of the teams plan to work with Blackstone Launchpad and Bird Library to move forward as small businesses.
Even if you don't know how to code or you don't know how to engineer, you can learn all of those skills, because at the end of the day, you know how to make something. And this program is about making a prototype.